Hi guys, welcome or welcome back on my YouTube channel. It's me Anam, and today in this video we're gonna do our second Halloween nail set. So yeah, let's get into this video. But before going into this video, make sure to like, subscribe, share and comment. Now let's get started. I will link everything I'm using in this video in description box so you can check it out. Now enjoy the video.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, so make sure to like, subscribe, share and comment, and make sure to support our channel, and let's grow together. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye.
On we'll go.